Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn Spanish Daily. For today's phrase, let's keep it even simpler than the last one. Going to help you guys ask the questions you need in the language you need to learn it. Now, as a native Spanish speaker that's lived in the United States for quite a while, I hear this phrase asked to me many times. And the phrase is, how do you say this in Spanish? It's almost a daily thing where people come up to me and they ask me, how do you say this in Spanish? How do you say, let's go out? How do you say, how do I get here? How do you say this? How do you say that? It's a pretty straightforward thing. You want to know specifically how this is said or what this is. So if you want to learn how to say that in Spanish, you would ask, ¿Cómo se dice? ¿Cómo se dice? 3 words, how do you say? And then with that phrase, you can easily point to something, and if you're speaking to a Spanish speaker, no matter what part of the world they're from, if they speak Spanish, they'll understand what you're trying to say and they will help you out. For example, you can point to the door and say, ¿Cómo se dice? And then you point to it or touch it. They'll understand, okay, you want to know how it's said, so they'll help you say it. You can point to anything, touch anything, just let them know, ¿Cómo se dice? How do you say this? And that's a great way to learn outside of watching these videos. Like I said, I was going to keep this video pretty simple, so that's all I have to say for it. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Me or somebody else will get back to you and help you learn Spanish today. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.